Bronze Age and civilizations. Interesting facts about galaxy about 1500 to 1200. During the time period between 1500 BCE and 1200 BCE, several significant events and developments occurred. However, it is important to note that the term galaxy typically refers to a system of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity, and the study of galaxies as we know them today was not developed during this period. Nevertheless, here are some interesting facts about the world around the time. Bronze Age civilizations. This era marked the flourishing of various Bronze Age civilizations, such as the ancient Egyptians, Mycenaeans, Hittites, and Shang dynasty in China. These civilizations made remarkable advancements in agriculture, technology, and governance. Ancient Egypt. The period from 1500 BCE to 1200 BCE witnessed the height of the New Kingdom in ancient Egypt. This era saw the reign of notable pharaohs like Hatshepsut, Thutmose III, Amenhotep III, and Ramesses II. Egypt experienced military conquests, artistic achievements, and the construction of grand monuments like the Temple of Karnak and Abu Simbel. Late Bronze Age collapse. Around 1200 BCE, many ancient civilizations experienced a period of upheaval known as the Late Bronze Age collapse. It was characterized by the fall of major empires like the Hittites, Mycenaeans, and the decline of the New Kingdom in Egypt. The causes of this collapse are still debated among historians and may include factors such as invasions, natural disasters, and socio-economic disruptions. Epic of Gilgamesh. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the oldest surviving works of literature, was written during this time. It is an epic poem from ancient Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, that tells the story of Gilgamesh, a mythical king. Iron Age. Towards the end of this period, the Iron Age began, replacing the Bronze Age as the predominant material for tools and weapons. The development of iron smelting techniques revolutionized societies, leading to new military capabilities and economic changes. Ancient Greek Dark Ages. In Greece, this period corresponds to the late Helladic period and the Greek Dark Ages, following the fall of the Mycenaean civilization. It was a time of cultural decline and reduced population, with limited written records. Religious and mythological beliefs. Various religious and mythological beliefs were prevalent during this time. In ancient Egypt, the pharaohs were considered divine, and the worship of many gods and goddesses was widespread. In Mesopotamia, gods like Enlil, Ishtar, and Marduk held significant importance. The Vedic period in ancient India laid the foundation for Hinduism. Ancient trade routes. Trade networks connected different regions during this time. The Egyptians engaged in trade with the Near East, while the Mycenaeans had a maritime trade network reaching as far as Egypt and the Levant. The Silk Road in Central Asia started taking shape, facilitating exchanges between various cultures. These facts provide a glimpse into the historical and cultural context of the time, but it is important to remember that the scientific understanding of galaxies